Hi guys, I am working on chapter 5 exercise 7 for this week, so I'm going to go ahead and show everyone how it was done. So I'm going to share my screen first. All right, awesome. So let's see here, Wiley. Okay, so here we are here, exercise 5-7. So we have two companies, Carla Vista Company and the Wild Horse Company, and we're asked to give a couple of different things. We have some missing things, so it's kind of like a puzzle that we're putting together. So first, let's start with Carla Vista. So in order to get the sales returns and allowances, we want to take the sales revenue. So let's see, sales revenue minus the net sales. And then when we get that, it comes out to $13,600. Now the gross profit that we're asked to get next for Carla Vista, that can be easily calculated by taking the net sales, so right here, the $81,200, minus the cost of the goods sold, which is $54,800, and that gets us to $26,400 right here. Okay, then the last thing we're asked to figure out for Carla Vista is net income, which can be calculated by taking the gross profit, which we just figured out was $26,400, minus the operating expenses, and that gets us to $11,620. All right, now we have the Wild Horse Company that we're calculating. So in order to get the sales revenue for Wild Horse, we need to take the sales return and allowances and then add that to the net sales. And then once we do, we can easily see that's $124,000. And then in order to get the cost of goods sold, which is our next part, we need to take the net sales, so the $121,000, minus the gross profit, and then that gives us $79,000. So it's just kind of like a puzzle that we're kind of filling in all the blanks here, so it's pretty simple. For operating expenses, we have to take the gross profit, which is the $42,000, minus the net income, and then that gives us our final answer of $25,800. So once we do that, that will open the part B of this question. So we're asked to get the profit margin and the gross profit rate for each of these companies. So we'll start again with Carla Vista. So profit margin, if you guys remember, is easily calculated by taking net income divided by net sales. Now it's important to note in this question that we are asked to round answers to one decimal place. So like 15.5% it gives us as an example. So profit margin is net income divided by net sales. So we want to take our 11,620 divided by 81,200. And once we do that, I get 14.3%. And that's for Carla Vista. Since we're doing profit margin, we'll just do the same to Wild Horse right now. So then we take the 16,200 divided by the $121,000. And then that gives us 13.4%. All right, now the gross profit rate is calculated by using gross profit divided by net sales. So let's do Carla Vista first. So we would take 26,400 divided by 81,200, which gives us 32.5%. Okay. Also, make sure to add your decimal again, or else you will get the question wrong. All right, gross profit for Wild Horse. So we want to take our $42,000 right here and divide it by our $121,000 right here. And then that gives us a percentage rate of 34.7. And that is how it is done. So hopefully this goes well for each of you and this was clear and helpful.